Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. These new jackets from Free Assembly, they match the skirts we saw a couple weeks ago. They have this smaller collar, it's zip front, lined on the inside, also has the little button detail on the wrist, has the toggles at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $34. Skirts to match have that wrap style front, this little pocket detail, adjustable, that same fit through the back, and they're $24. Also new cardigans from Free Assembly. These have that higher neckline, the gold buttons, two front pockets, that contrast trim on the wrist, and then all through the back. In the blue and white, also comes in the white and navy. And the cardigans are going to be $26. Match, they have these new pull-on skirts. These have an elastic waistband, the two front pockets that same fit through the back, and they're $24. New jackets from Free Assembly. So these have a mock neck when it's buttoned up all the way, the little drawstring at the waist with the peplum, oversized tortoise buttons, the side pocket on the wrist. It does have that button detail. In the navy, also comes in the khaki, and they're $42. Also new mock neck tops. So they had similar styles for fall, but they have that mock neck. It's rib stretchy. I think these are a little different. That's what the material looks like up close. Good length through the front and the back. Comes in the navy and yellow, also the navy and red, and they are $12. New dresses from Free Assembly. So these have a smaller collar, button up into the waist, this little belt detail, fit and flare. You could see the little patches of pattern, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $30. New pull-on jeans from Free Assembly. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, wide flowy leg, and then the same fit through the back. They also have the trouser pockets on the back, and these are going to be $26. New button-down shirts from Free Assembly. These have this smaller collar. It has that red pipe detailing, full button with the button on the wrist, and then that seam detailing through the back, and they're $26. New smock dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the thicker strap, square neckline, smocking through the top, fit and flare. That's what the material looks like up close, and then that same fit through the back. In the blue and white gingham, also comes in the chambray. That's what the blue looks like, and they're $36. My goodness, look, I think this is an online only. How cute. From Free Assembly with the embroidered hearts. Thick strap, square neckline fit, and then flares out. It's really adorable, and they're $36. New barrel leg jeans from Scoop. So these look like they're high rise. They have the distressing, that seam detail, some fading through the front, and then also through the back. They're an ankle length. They don't really match the jacket. Those jeans we saw in the last video are the exact match. And the barrel leg jeans are $28. Oh my goodness, how cute is this new dress from No Boundary? So it has the lace trim, stretchy, that microfiber material with the tie. I haven't seen material like this in a really long time. I love it. It's really stretchy, it's soft. So they have that heart print, and also the leopard, and they're $10. So new V-neck dresses from No Boundary. So these have that plunging V-cap sleeve. It's super soft and stretchy, longer length, with the same fit through the back. In the blue, also comes in black, and they're $10. Also new crochet top dresses from No Boundary. So these have the thin strap, that crochet, textured material, longer length, and then the same fit through the back with smocking. In the green, also comes in the black, and they're $18.98. So brought back the mini skirts from No Boundaries. I love these to wear under my dresses in the summer. They're really soft and stretchy. They are pretty short, so they just have the white and the black, and they're $7.98. No crew neck dresses from No Boundaries. So these are soft, stretchy material. They have that high neckline, cap sleeve, fitted, midi length in the gray, also comes in black. They have this baby pink and the green, and they're $10. Cute is this new cardigan from No Boundaries, neckline, the bigger size buttons, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, also the ribbed bottom, and then that seam fit through the back. New off the shoulder tops from Millie Bobby Brown. So this one folds over, fitted through the wrist. It does look cropped. You could size up 1 or 2 for length, and they're $16. Also new from Millie Bobby Brown are these cutout dresses. So they have the thick strap, scoop neckline, that cutout detail, shorter fit, and it's kind of like a leopard or cheetah, and then also the solid black, and they're $19.50. Also new from Millie Bobby Brown is this zip up hoodie. So this one's a French terry, has the drop sleeve, the rib dress with the raw hem, also has the rib bottom with the hood in the back in the black, also comes in the ivory, and they're $18.50. Match the jackets they have in the beige color with the little embroidered rose elastic waistband with the zip, nice wide flowy leg with the French terry, and then also has the one pocket on the back. And they also have down here these are mini skirts with the built-in bike shorts. That's what it looks like on. In that animal print, also comes in the black, and they're going to be $14.50. Fold over leggings from Millie Bobby Brown. So these are high rise, super soft, stretchy fit and flare in the pink, also comes in the blue, and they're $22.50. We saw one of these tees last time. Now they have the little like bike shorts, or I don't know if these are like ribbed shorts to match. So these look like high rise. They have that embroidered little flower, and then they also come in purple. And they also have these sweatshirts. They have the crew neckline, French terry, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist. Look how pretty the back is. And then they also have a purple. These are $19.50. Match, they have the sweat shorts. So these have an elastic waistband, that embroidered heart, the little pocket in the back in both of those colors. Also new from Millie Bobby Brown are these V-neck tanks. So these are nice, ribbed and stretchy. That's what the material looks like up close. Comes in black, also in pink, and the tank tops are $14.50. And also new from Millie Bobby Brown are these ribbed dresses. So they have that plunging V, fit and flared, is a little shorter. That's what it looks like on. Same fit through the back. In the blue, also comes in black, and they're $18.50. They have some Valentine tees from Way to Celebrate. These have the crew neckline. They're more of a boxy fit, but how pretty is the pink with the little cherubs? They also have blue. It says rom-com behavior with the little candles. It's a little ticket, and then I don't remember what that's called. Here they have brunch therapy and ghosted but still glowing, and these are $7.98. Brought back the Time and True tank dresses. So these have a high neckline, sleeveless, the swing style with the seam in the back. In the blue, the black and white stripe, they have red and solid black, and they're $12.98. New denim skirt from Scoop. So this one has the double button zip with the pockets, that seam detailing, and these are $28. What am I filming? New sets from Avia. So this one has that higher neckline, sleeve ruching on the side, little twist. It's also open through the side in the red, also in the black. And then to match, they have these little shorts with the little ruching. Seam fit through the back. They also have a capri. This is a really nice stretchy material. They're high rise. In that red, they also have black. They have a, what is this, a shirt? Oh no, it's a skirt with the built-in shorts. And skirts are $20. The shorts are $13. Capris are $15. And then the tank, we don't have a price. They also have the matching little bralettes. They have the built-in removable pads. It has that shelf bra in the black, also in the red, and there's no price on those. And they also have the new active shorts from Avia. These are high rise. They have the built-in briefs, flowy in this black leopard, also the black. There's gray and the purple. These always sell out so fast. So if you like these, especially for the spring and summer, don't wait, because by the time the warmer weather rolls around, they're always gone. And they also have these from Avia. These have the toggle. It has the built-in briefs in the gray. There's also teal. And then these have the little banded bottom. These are skirts in the green. They also have black and blue. A floral dress from No Boundaries. So this has the plunging V, flutter sleeve, sheer, maxi length with the tie in the back. Comes in the white with the purple. There's also the blue with the pink. And they're $19.98. New romper style swimsuit from Time and Tru. So this has the thin strap, scoop neckline, the little drawstring at the waist. It has the briefs built in. Flowy, like a shorts look, in the fuchsia kind of plum. There's black, navy, and green, and they're $26.98. In the men's, they have these new crew neck sweatshirts from US Polo. So inside, these are really soft fleece. They have the drop sleeve rib dress with the ribbed bottom, embroidered little polo. Also comes in the yellow, and they're $20. Also have in men's the new chaps tees. Look how pretty these colors are. So it's a crew neckline with the little pocket. This is the small, so they are a relaxed fit. In the blue, mint, the pink, and charcoal, and they're $9. New washes in the spring skinny jeans. These are high rise, fitted through the ankle. This is the new mid-tone. They have the light chambray with the whiskering, a darker indigo. These used to be like solid dark blue, and now they have some whiskering and fading, and then solid black, and these are $12.98. Also new denim shirt from Time and Tru. So this has the V, has the gathering, button on the wrist, that scoop in the middle, and then the seam detail on the back, and these are $22.98. New cardigans from Time and Tru. So these have the plunging V, the ribbed wrist, the two front pockets, tortoise buttons, seam fit through the back in the white. Also comes in that red, and they're $19.98. Sneak peek denim dress from Time and Tru. This one has that split neckline, has the 3 buttons, a little bit of a shoulder detail with the button on the wrist, scoops in the middle, and then the seam in the back. Also has this belt, and they're $22.98. New blouse from Time and Tru. So this one has the eyelet neckline with this eyelet trim, Henley style buttons, relaxed fit, has the button detail with the little crochet going through the back. Only seeing it in this navy floral, and they are going to be $22.98. New crew neck tees from Time and Tru. So these are soft, stretchy material, relaxed fit. It's kind of like a boxy look in the stripe. Also the burgundy stripe, and they're $12.98. New colors in these rompers from No Boundaries. So these have the thick strap, scoop neckline with the scoop in the back. Now in the red, they also have the lavender, and they're $21.98. Right above that, they have the tank and short sets. These have the thick strap, scoop neckline. Shorts are like that style, like the skims, look for less. And the hard, also in the purple, and the 2 pieces are $19.98. New straw totes with the matching hats from No Boundaries. So it has this snap closure. How adorable is this with the little fish? They also have the lobster and the strawberries. Those are $24.97. Bucket hats with the little lobster. And then this blue, those are $12.97. A little beaded wristlet. This one says sardines. It's $14.97. And then they also have from No Boundaries the new cooler totes. So these have the shoulder strap, the top handle, the top zipper is completely insulated in this blue stripe. Also the black and white with the hibiscus. This is the smaller option with the little top handle. They have pink with the little wave, the blue and white stripe, and then how cute is this print? New colors in the rubber totes from Mainstay. So these are nice and roomy. White, red, they have coral now. Bog bag, look for less. The green, blue. And those are $20. I'm pretty sure they're like $22 maybe. All the cute No Boundaries accessories. So over here they have little sea turtle, $5.97. also $5.97. The lobster, the cherries, strawberry. The bag charms are $9.97. The lobster. This one with the fish is $8.97. $4.97. That's $7.97. That bag charm is $9.97. This one's also $9.97. How cute. The lemon. Cherries is $9.97. The palm tree is $9.97. And then more claw clips of the little fish, the lemon. Those are between $4.97 and $5.97. Color in this pajama set from No Boundaries. So we saw it in this cherry option. So now they have the blue with the little bunnies. And then also the pants to match and the shorts that match back. But I love this set. It's so cute. The little ponytail. And then the pants. And then they also have the No cherry shorts. They're all under $13.98. New sneakers from Time and True. So these have the round toe, the gummy bottom, and these are $24.98. New color in the woven flats from Time and True. So these have the round toe silver hardware, now in the black, also in the brown. I think they're $24.98. New shoes from Time and True. So these have the square toe, almost completely flat, in this beige suede. They also had a pink online, and they're $18.98. Color in the Time and True loafers. So these have a little bit of a square toe, that oversized gold hardware with the chunky heel, and they're $26.98. Also have these new little peep toe slingbacks from Time and True. They have the square toe open with the buckle, and they're $24.98. New wedges from Time and True. So these have the round toe, the espadrille bottom with that flower detail. Also has the sling back, $29.98. And then they also have these new wedges from Time and True. They have the round toe, the espadrille wedge with that buckle. It has a crochet flower. Also $29.98. Also new from Time and True are these knotted slides. So these have the round toe, almost completely flat in that straw look, also in the navy. So new espadrille Mary Janes from Time and True. These have the square toe, that mesh, the open style with the gold buckle, and these are $22.98. Also new espadrille Mary Janes from Time and True. These have the square toe with that crochet, the espadrille style bottom. New mules from Time and True. These have the round toe, the grommets, that little cutout detail, and these are $22.98. New ballet flats from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, lace up with this little toggle detail, almost completely flat, $24.98. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.